Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a quick and easy skinny jalapeno margarita recipe? Well, at just 194 calories per serving and taking under 10 minutes to make, this might very well be one of the best margaritas you'll ever have and ever make from scratch. Today's recipe is from the Conscious Plant Kitchen. Now, this is not a sponsored video, I just happen to love their recipe, but I have made a few additional tweaks to make it even faster to prepare. For my special take on this recipe, you'll need 4 limes, clear tequila, orange juice, agave syrup, 1 jalapeno, and about 8 ice cubes. This will give you roughly 2 servings, or maybe just 1, depending on the kind of day you're having. And for our garnish, you'll need some Margarita Salt and 2 slices of jalapeno. Now I'm going to make my Margarita Ice Blended and I'll be using my NutriBullet, but you can use any blender, or if you don't have a blender or want a margarita on the rocks, you can use this exact same recipe but put everything in a shaker instead. First, let's add some salt to the rim of our glasses. Now my trick for getting this perfect is to take a lime wedge and to run it along the rim of your glass. Afterwards, turn your glass upside down and lightly dip it into your salt. Then you can go and put your glass in the freezer until your drink is ready. So I have my NutriBullet all ready to go, and the next thing I'm going to do is to make the lime juice. We need half a cup of lime juice, so that's about 4 limes. Now, I do recommend using a squeezer. You'll get a lot more of the juice out than squeezing by hand. For the type of squeezer I happen to be using, I'll need to cut all of my limes into halves first. And to make things easy, I'm going to juice them right into my NutriBullet, so I'll have much less I'll need to clean up at the end. So now that we have this nice lime juice, let's add in the rest of our ingredients. We'll start with the tequila. Now we're going to use roughly half a cup. And next we're going to add 2 tablespoons of orange juice to give us a little bit of sugar, as well as some agave sweetener, just 2 small teaspoons. And finally, before we add in our ice, I'm going to toss in 2 slices of jalapeno, but I'm going to remove the seeds so it's not too spicy. Now we can go ahead and seal our lid and start blending. I generally eyeball this process and sometimes even stop the blender to shake it a little bit, just to make sure all of the ice is blended. We're almost done. Let's go grab our glasses from the freezer and start to pour. This has become one of my favorite cocktails. I love how light it is while still packing a punch, and it's so quick and so easy to make. I also really love the fact that it's vegan friendly and contains less than half the amount of sugar as a regular margarita. So that's it for today. Hopefully you'll be able to make this recipe from home and find it as tasty as I do. If today's video was helpful, please do me a big favor by subscribing to my channel. I'll have more recipes coming soon, as well as recipe reviews, product reviews, and explainer videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.